You shouldn't have to compromise on aesthetics when choosing an affordable internal door. Our hollow core doors are lightweight, budget-friendly and incredibly stylish. For superior sound insulation and privacy, our Vogue Collection goes above and beyond, with its 6.3mm thick MDF skin absorbing and reducing sound throughout the home. Designs range from traditional paneling to modern clean lines, so you'll be sure to find a look that works for your home. Our Marsden hollow core doors are the way to go for ultimate versatility. Single and double configurations are possible, along with various sizes to suit different openings. When it comes to designs, we offer multiple options, including mirrored panels for convenience and the illusion of a larger space. The Nova range is our most economical selection of high-quality hollow core doors. Fully finished in classic white, they'll seamlessly integrate into any home interior. Their smooth melamine skin is easy to clean and maintain, making them the perfect choice for your busy family home. For an added touch of style, the Definiti door series features shallow routing in a range of trendy designs. The subtle etched design turns an ordinary door into something special and is ideal for tying together internal doors throughout your home. At Doors Plus, our hollow core door collection includes single, double and larger sized hinged or folding doors in various colours and designs. We can fit, paint and deliver, so you don't have to lift a finger. Visit your nearest Doors Plus showroom today to browse our range of internal hollow core doors and book your free measuring quote. Doors Plus, no fuss.